It's Friday! Bam, bam, ba-dum, bam, bam. Welcome, every single one of you beautiful people. Hope that you are fantastic. It's Friday. It's weekend, but it's also the best time of the week because weekend plan. More profits coming on today. I have a surprise for you today. I have a surprise. Which one is it gonna be? We shall see. Which one is it going to be? Which one is it going to be today? What surprise can this beautiful face have? And is miraculous laughter have, eh? Hope that you're doing fine. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome. Let's go through some markets: dollar, yen, gold, silver, stock market. Stocks, if you have anyone, Amazon, Facebook, Google, all those are normally I look at, the 5 big ones at least, and then we shall see which one you like to do. Aussie yen, bam, boom, look at that. I said yesterday, did I say yesterday? Did I say it this morning? Oh yeah, look at that. Rakfisk, oh, right, okay. CAD yen as well, coming up to the sell I mentioned yesterday in the daily setups. Euro yen didn't. Sorry about that. New Zealand yen almost did that. Alright, what can it be? What can it be? What can it be? That's how you get paid. That's how you get paid. That's how you win. That's how you win. Boop boop. Again. Hopefully you are there. So if somebody is going to be dancing around the chair today, it is definitely gonna be me. Harold is my witness that yesterday I did a daily setup. I posted it to the what do you call it? The miraculously whatever internet. Eivindfx.com. Daily setups came in there, and what is happening, mate? I love it. So, what else, people? What else can you tell me? Hello, Kranken. Hello, Denise. Hello, Dizzy. Hello, Harold. Yeah. I mean, you are beautiful. Have a look at dollar, yen. We shall. Well, is that the first one? That's the first one. Yet is first out on the books. I just want to mention I do have a Twitter, and it is Eivindfx. Twitter.com/Eivindfx. I think it is. I think it is somewhere like that. So yeah, there we are. Join March 2021. I've only been posting like 5 minutes ago. So yeah, we are. If you want more from my thoughts on the internet. The other thing is, well, I didn't post these entries. I do apologize for that, but wait. Let's see, can I do that? Let's see. I just need to see what I do. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Anyone again? Today I'm happy. Cheers, mate. Cheers. Boom. So, Rachel says is coming in, says Tom. Okay, cool. Can look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, so I feel like should we have some background music today? I feel like being a bit not frisky, but that's the wrong screen to open it up on. I don't want to be open up on that screen. So everyone now can see my Spotify, yeah? Spotify, yeah? How do you spell Spotify? Is it this one? No. Casino Royale? Oui, oui. Nope. Let me just see if I can remember that song, though, what it's supposed to be. Nope. I think this is still wrong. Okay, that's the wrong side of it. Nope, that's also the wrong side of it. Okay, cool. Alright, cool. What's the surprise, you might ask, eh? Surprise today is I am probably most likely not going to be streaming Monday to Thursday next week. Sorry to say that. I don't know if it's a positive surprise, but I'm not going to stream here on Eivindfx on Monday, on Thursday. Okay, cool. So let's go through the markets as it's falling. Right now on USD yen, I don't have any trade plans here, Ayit, and I guess you said differently, I'm sorry, but I don't have anything here. It's too gone, it's too fallen, it's not as great as I wanted it to be, so it's kind of like, well, it is what it is. I don't think that is, maybe it can fall more, but other than that, I don't know. It's a strange pair to be trading. I don't know. Oui. No. So so seriously though, I'm gonna give you serious answers here. Okay, serious answers only. We went higher. We hit some kind of target, and when that happens, we have a TP fall. So TP fall are quite unpredictable to be taking. They can fall far and they fall short. It all depends on the market where they find buyers. And it's very clear we haven't found buyers. Now, the question becomes, when will this fall end? And I quite frankly want to either be in those and continue falling, or I would just mean stay away. Okay? So, I don't know, bro. I would love to say that this is a great setup. This is how it's supposed to be. This is how we'd love it to be. But no, I don't have anything here right now. Sorry, but it's a falling market. If you want to buy it, I wouldn't. So that's kind of, that is this. Or retail in 1 minute. Oh no. Oui. Zizi. What is it? Retail came out as negative 3.2, negative 3.1, negative 1.9. That's not good. That's not good at all. Okay. So it's a total receipts from retail stores. So people didn't really spend a lot of money in December. So yeah, I remember that. I saw a thing about that. Most of spendage actually happens in like November, October, November, because of people was scared not to have like products for Christmas, so they bought it earlier. More like for Black Friday. So retail sales might be low, and shebang it was. Look at Aussie dollar. All right. So interesting. So we can do euro. Euro right now, as it stands as of today, we have it bullishly. The reason why it's bullishly is because we still have a bullish trend. We haven't broken that low there, so we are still just waiting for this one to come lower, so we can start sell it again. So right now it's bullish. So right now this is just coming down to support more than anything else, and then we shall see what really happened, and then what is that about? And then that was that. Retail sales index comes in December -1.9, 0.3. Monetary expansion policy needed to stabilize the inflation at 2% in the medium term. Okay, blah 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 blah. We anticipate that inflation stimuli will moderate this year. Okay, cool. But other than that, we are, could support a euro. Nothing to do right now. Just waiting for this one to come back lower again. I think that the current dollar weakness has been a bit surprising more than anything else. So I'm just waiting for it to. We didn't like the prices. Yeah, probably. So another part of retail sales is actually that you are. It's actually too high prices, so you don't buy it. The prices, the inflation has been too high, basically. Oil and pound or dollar. Oil was get out of there. Somebody sold it, I know, and I said TP. We have gone a bit lower, we've gone a bit higher, and then we have been in a range now. So right now you're hoping for maybe a pullback to 80, so we can take it back up again more than anything else. So right now it's just a waiting game, Waiting game on oil. I want this to fall. I don't. Not really right here. So I'm just waiting. Not really getting any money here, so I'm just waiting somewhere in between. I think it's okay to be going higher here. So yeah, but I wanted to fall. So there you go. And then the other one was Natty Gassy, just to make sure that you have covered everything for you. Look at that. Okay, I just want to have one thing. I know you can testify on this one, Mr. James and Harold. Please help me out. We were in a Zoom meeting, and I said, if you are a buyer in this market, that is the monthly target. And I'm like, okay, we have hit target already. If I were you, if I was to choose, I would get out at 4.7 something. And you make your own choices. I'm not going to make it for you. But oh my Lord, Lord have mercy, it has fallen ever since. Boom! That's how you did it. So, yeah. That's how you nail it. And I'm taking absolutely no credit for it. It's all their decisions. All their decisions to buy it. All their decision to hold. All their decision. I'm only saying, if this falls from current price, are you going to be angry or are you going to be sad? Are you going to be happy or are you going to be sad about it falling? The other question is, if it rises more, are you going to be angry or are you going to be sad if you take profit now? Rhetorical questions, they answer themselves. Good news, I was promoted to supervisor at my regular Oh my Lord. Okay, let's go, Denise. That's a celebration for you. Denise is fantastic. Congratulations, Denise. I hope that you are. I hope that you're happy. I hope that makes you. Well, first of all the hard work has now been paid off, and supervisor, yeah, fantastic. Congrats. I think that is really necessary. Do you have full analysis on any currency? How a beginner will start doing tech analysis on a pair? Okay, cool. I can do that. Which one should we start with? Dollar. This one is really falling though. Okay. So, technical analysis. Okay. I'm just asking for, like, what have we been asking for? So, one asked about shorting gold. I'm just going to attend to that one very fast. No. Okay, you can sell it for the love of your life, but I won't. So, pound is actually quite interesting at the moment. Let's do that. Okay, so, cool. What is the most I think you have access to that when I eat, but I think I can give it, well, I will just go through it so I'm just going to tell you, I don't know if you have access to it. Actually, I can just find it here. Trade plan. This one here. Yeah, okay, cool. I don't need to download myself again. Is that one? Yeah, there we are. Okay, cool. So, for trade plan, basically, first of all, you need to identify the pair, you need to find the date and the bias that you have. Are you deciding that this currency should go higher or lower? Okay. That is determined by you, not the market, not anybody else. You decide your own bias. And then, what type of trade is it? Is it a support and resistance? Is it trend continuation? Is it a reversal? The different trades are, this is trend continuation, this is a reversal, and what else was it? Support and resistance, trend continuation, and reversal. Okay, and then support and resistance is basically here, like in these levels here. Okay, so you need to identify those for you, and then reasons to enter, and it's a whole shebang. But okay, you can take a screenshot of this, and then you're good to go. So how would you then technically, as a beginner, look at this market? Okay, I'm gonna give you that one for. I'm just gonna give you that one for. So technically, at the moment, we have a rising market. Okay, we have a rising market at the moment. We all can see that. I don't think that is. And we're starting at the bottom of the screen up to the top of the screen. The depends now is, the question now becomes, where do you want it to go to for the future? Now, you can use previous tops, so bottom resistance, to determine future price that you want price to come back down to. Now, don't be frustrated just because it doesn't come down to the prices. It's all a plan, okay? So in this market here, if you were planning to come back to support, it came 2 times. And if you plan this as support, it comes many times. And in this case, it came down to the other level. You need to be okay with both. Now, it all depends, where do you want the market to go? If you want the market to go lower, you will put this as your support to break at a smaller scale, and then hopefully you will catch some lower highs and lower highs. Now, how does that look like in the real world? I can tell you the real world, how the real world looks like. Okay, so if this is bullish, coming into, still bullish, I want to sell it. What do I need to see? I need to see a double top. What do I need to see at a double top? I need to see a reversal and price here, and there it is. Okay, now this is kind of what I teach every day, all the time, to anyone that comes to me, and I do this for free for you guys right now. But this is my primary reversal pattern, and then I would look for any kind of reversal into this area, mostly in this area here, and yeah. So, and then I will then continue to look at pullbacks and pullbacks. So how does pullbacks looks like? Pullbacks in a bearish trend can look a bit different, but I would say something very important to you first. The first fall is always the greatest. The second fall is not so great, and it has deeper pullbacks. So mostly you are maybe able to get number 2, but for the number 3, which is normally the smallest fall in a trend, that's where you actually hit the target. And when you hit the target of, for example, in this case it is 79, you will get kicked in your butts if you don't get out, or if you don't have that number 3 and number 2 at break even at worst case. Okay, so the first fall is always the fastest. Little pullbacks, as you can see here. First fall, little pullbacks. The next fall, bigger pullbacks is almost 100% actually. then the next fall can be, this fall here, can then be the reversal of the trend. Okay? Does that make sense? So how do you fully analyze an any currency? How do you start as a beginner? You start out with a plan. And mostly, where do you want it to go? Do you want it to go up? Do you want it to go down the market? Now the technical analysis comes in, and then I would add to technical analysis. The question is, what do you want to see? Teach yourself to see what do you want to see. That is the hardest part for anyone out there, I would say, is what do you want to see versus what do you see and what do you run after, okay? So let's say that you are a lion on the savannah in Africa. You are seeing a bunch of gazelles passing. Which one do you take? Do you take the fastest? Do you take the middle? Do you take the slowest runner? The slowest runner is normally, generally, in a general case, at the back. So then you need to wait for all the opportunities to pass by, and you say, what? But the best opportunity comes at last. Okay? So, this is not an opportunity if you didn't sell up here. Okay? So that is not tradable. This is tradable, 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 and all the way down here. If you got out of there, or if you were up to break even and then got out, that's a different case. But generally speaking, when you're looking for trends, oh my lord, you are wanting to see resistance. Now it depends on which currency pair are we looking at. Is it pound yen? Is it euro? Pound yen has much bigger pullbacks, and it consumes a lot of pips before it comes back to some kind of resistance, and versus euro, which has lower pips, has a lower range before it comes back to resistance or support. So some pairs moves longer and faster in the direction of the trend. So you get more and you pay more, kind of a thing. You get more knocked out, more easily knocked out, but also you get more pips when you win. Okay? So pound yen right now is finally breaking lower. There we go. Good. Finally breaking lower on pound yen. Now, what do you want now? Now the question becomes: do we fall far, or do we fall a bit and then pull back and then lower? That is determined by the market. We don't know that. So right now, if you are a buyer in pound yen, you should get out of there and you should run with your money. I saw that Nick bought USDN this morning. I don't have any. I just have to say I don't have any plans on USDN. I don't see the market. I don't understand the market. Market is falling too much. Okay, so I don't know if you guys remember that I said that market, it is too aggressive. I don't like that. Now the question becomes, what do you like and what you not like comes out of experience. Okay. So a market that is like this is also not something I like, because I must lose money. So what do I like generally? I like a market that generally trends higher, but also comes back to support. And this one doesn't forever, kind of a thing. Okay? So you kind of have to choose, like, we see a couple of different market conditions here. First of all, here we have a double top, we have a lower low, we have a lower high. Boom. Sell. Lower low, lower high. No, it doesn't lower low, it's a low high. Sell. Lower low, lower high, sell. That's a great trend. Is this a great trend? Not at all. Not at all. Again, starting again, sell, 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 sell. Range, nah, I don't want that anymore. Okay? So, as a beginner, when I analyze the market, if I could just choose go back to wherever I was back then, I would go back and I would say, where do the market go? Where do I want the market to go? And how can I understand as many market conditions and as many market structures as possible? Because whatever happens today doesn't happen tomorrow, okay? So if we fall now on pound yen, that doesn't mean that we will fall on pound yen the next week or tomorrow. All right. Does this make any sense to you guys? I feel like I'm way off the charts. Can somebody give me a feedback? Is this interesting? Or I feel like it's educational content, but you have to give me feedback. Should I continue or should I go back to charts? Back to currency pairs. Or for that matter, did you understand anything of what I said? But as far as I can go, as far as I would like to help you out, as far as I can help you out, the biggest thing that I struggle with people I try to teach and people I try to help out is make the trade plan, make the chart, try to explain to me as you would explain to your grandmother, what the heck are you trying to do? If you can't tell me in 2 sentences, what do you see, what do you want to see, you have to practice more. Practice makes you a winner, okay? And if you are coming to with me and you're a complete beginner, haven't seen the chart before, doesn't understand how the market moves, then please, if you say that we are going down to next support, because this is where price was support before, fantastic. That's a good one. If you say that you want to have a pullback up to this level so you can sell it, next level shit. All right. If you then want to see price coming back down to this support because it is turning into support, when it comes back down again, has a reversal, has a new higher high, great. And then you would say this is a range, this is a downtrend, this is an uptrend, and now we are maybe going down again. Now you start adding more layers to your analysis. And I don't expect more, you know? Just do it. Like Nike said. Why is yen pairs going? What yen pairs are you in right now? Aussie yen and pound yen. Aussie yen and New Zealand yen. Can I tell you something else I eat that is really gonna blow your socks off? I'm gonna do a very simple thing for everyone here, okay? I'm gonna tell you a secret. Okay, I'm gonna tell you a secret. It doesn't always work, but I'm gonna tell you a secret, okay? Which socks are you blowing off today? Is it left or right or both? First of August, I sell oil. Doesn't matter. I sell oil. This year, last year, sorry. How much was it? 1,200, 121, 1,200. From 74 to 61. I guess. Let's go the previous year then. 1st of August, probably 3rd. I would sell it again. Didn't go so well that time, but I still got something. And break even worst case. But it still fell from 40 to 39. That's cool enough for me. You know, not always a year. Every year is great, but you know, it's kind of a theory here, okay? Let's go on with the theory. 1st of August 2020, that's the last bar. 2019, I think it is right now. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Woo! Okay. So, if you're gonna get mind blown, whatever shit I'm doing here on YouTube isn't based upon whatever I feel. I try to do what I feel, but it doesn't go well. But I have theories of certain days of the year. Every year, I try to do them. And yeah, seems like it went. Booyah! You are in a USD yen sell right now after parallel meeting. Yeah, good, good, good. Edwin. Is that me? Ivan. Has a good PowerPoint video you can watch and help. Who is saying Edwin? Ivan, when analyzing an hour chart, do you usually use daily pivots? And for daily chart, daily time frame, do you use weekly pivot pointing? Edwin Akelo. Good. I use 1 hour for daily pivots, and I use 4 hour for weekly and monthly. Does that make sense? Well, I'm just gonna check. Yeah, because you have to be minimally 4 hour to do monthly. So we can also do, I guess you can also do weekly there, but yeah. So, yeah, no, that's okay. Monthly is okay. Monthly is okay with 4 hour. Seasonality disease, dizzy. Yeah. Well, is it the seasonality? I think it's just traders coming back from holiday more than anything else, and then it just says, "Kaboosh, we need a better price. We need to take it downtown." More than anything else. But yeah, I also have a video on my strategy though. But what happened to this? Today, are we 43 people today? Look at that happy face, eh? Yeah, he looks scary. He looks weird. Okay, he looks weirder, and he's the weirdest. So that guy's happy, right? Maybe I should just have it like maybe I should just have it as like a bookmark somewhere. Share. There we go. Tunnel. Okay, going back to the charts. I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. Oh, it's falling. Oh, it's falling. Okay. Peace. May the peace be with you. Oh, I love this. 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 Pound dollar. Is even pound now going to fall? Oh lordy. So Aussie has fallen, going bearish. Just needs a pullback. Euro needs to break. Pound is about to break. Oh my god. New Zealand has broken lower. And then now comes down again. So yes sir. Fired up, ready to go. Fired up, ready to go. Let's go, go, go. I saw a very strange pattern on the top on GJ. Yeah, I guess it's a strange top. How much do you take? How much trade you take in a day? I think you can actually ask me a week. Some weeks I don't trade at all, and some weeks I trade like maniac. I probably take like three trades a week when it goes bad, and I probably take like 9 to 15 if it's a good week. If it gets trending market in my direction. So it all depends. It all depends, brother. It all depends. If it goes good, I'm going good. So I double down on my trades I add more positions as it goes in direction of me, and I quit when it goes against me. So right now in New Zealand dollar, for example, if I didn't have any positions, I would sell here, and then I would sell again, and I would sell again, and I would sell again. But if it goes back up, I only sell once. You feel me? I just wanna feel real love at the bottom of my feet. Ooh, nice on USD CAD there. It's a nice reversal. And B is here. What's my take on Aussie CAD? Okay, you guys are some funny people, okay? Funny people. People, eh? My people. I don't like it. Why do I not like it? Because it gives me anxiety. It was supposed to hold that resistance, didn't. It was supposed to come up to that resistance, didn't. Aussie NCAD is kind of weird, so I guess that is kind of like, well, that happened more than I wanted to happen, kind of a thing. But yeah, nice. come back next week, I guess. Maybe more than anything else, because it's kind of a weird place to be. Boom, 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 boom. DJ Eivindfx here on YouTube, 14th of January 2022. Hope you're having a great day on channel Eivindfx. I'm sorry, people. I'm sorry. I will stop it. Oh, this is going down. Okay. Sorry. Bitcoin going a bit down. I'm sorry. So, gold, as someone requested. Is there any gold in the gold? Is there any gold gangs here? Is there any gold diggers? Any golders? I will do gold only if people ask for it. So, what's your question? What's your interest? We are doing gold right now, so please give it to me. Give it to me, baby. You want to do gold, or do you want to do gold? If you don't want to do gold, I will jump as fast as I can. Howdy how. Yeah, this is a house party today, people. This is a house party. This is where the party started. So if you guys are out there today, yeah. The Count Slayer, yeah, gold. Do. Jonah says, wait for the break of top. Okay. It says, you deserve 1 million subscribers. This channel is so underrated. Thank you actually for joining in, Ayid. And I know you are kind of new to me, so I feel like you are seeing me with fresh eyes, and you haven't seen what I've done before. So yeah, I think that, well, not that I've done a lot before, but you know, you're not tired of me. So yeah. Yo, my indicator just got a favorite editor's pick from the TradingView stuff. Congratulations, Joe. And Joey, we were supposed to talk, so I'm just waiting for you to bring me some talkings. I don't know when we both have time, but I guess I just have to pop by and do something. But COVID is still hunting my energy level, so I'm sorry. But yeah. So golders, I told you guys that was potential buy, and that was a potential buy. Potential, that's yours. If you're a buyer, can you sell this one? Nope. Or you can if you want to, by all means. By all means, sell. But I'm not going to tell you to sell. It shouldn't be. It's not a good sell. So if you do sell, only on your own risk, and I'm not going to tell you to do it because it's a bad idea. You know. So really, right now, it's that kind of a thing. So another thing is, what if next week we come down to that level? Would be great. Down to 1810 and then higher. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna do that, and then whoop, and then zoop, and then we're gonna go higher. Okay. It says, DJ Ivan's rocking. Gold current 1 hour flow showing struggle to the upside according to me. Yes, sir. But that doesn't mean you should sell. Just because Gangnam Style is 1000% going to take away all my YouTube revenue, so I'm not going to do that one. But yeah, if we're in a Zoom call later on, I will put on Gangnam Style. I'm going to put on a Euphoria, and what else? Bing bong. Why did I become like a pig? Who made me into a pig? I don't know what to be a pig. I just snorted. And by the way, I'm not taking it anything offensive. But yeah. So, Hakuna Matata. Is there any Swahili people today? Yes, sir. Is there any Kenyans here? I just want to see if you're here. Is there any? I don't know. I haven't seen Freddy today, so he will know. But apparently, one time I said Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matiti. So you guys, you know where you are. Have fun with it. I know I said it. And I know what it means, and I know it's funny because nobody else knows. It's our joke. I don't know if Saul Tito was here or he's coming here, but yeah. If you know, you know. As Edwin Okello, yeah, I knew it would actually be that. Actually, yeah. Wait, Okello. Ah, I know you don't know her anyways, but I know my friend is called Okello. So good on that. So can just go through the markets again, and then we just go back to going over to Nick because I want to have fun with Nick today. I'm gonna play his. Is he live now? Can somebody tell me if Nick is live? Is he live? Is Nick live right now? He's live. Oh, I'm gonna have fun over there. I'm gonna beat his ass. So pound dollar, Aussie dollar, euro, New Zealand dollar, all has been told to come back to resistance. Pound yen is crashing down. We also want to come back to resistance. USD CAD is now breaking higher. Wanted to come back to support again. Aussie yen breaking lower, come back to resistance. CAD yen want to come back to resistance. Euro yen come back to resistance. New Zealand yen come back to resistance. And we're gonna go down. And then this one is falling again. Great. Silver, not really a fan of this one. Maybe this was the overall buy plan, but I don't know. Who cares? Oil is non grata. Don't trade it at the moment. You probably want to be buying around 80 if you want to. And nat gas is also non grata. Aussie, Swissy, pound Swissy, dollar. Again, nothing to do here because it's up and down. I don't like up and downs. I stay away from up and downs. So yeah, great people. Hakuna Matata. Every time someone says yes sir, the video pops in my head. All right. So have a lovely week. Next week I am not going to be trading on. I'm not going to be live on this account. So head over to Trader Nick and we'll see what the surprise is going to be about. Okay. Have fun. See you. Love you. Mwah. Click the like button, people. You forgot to click the like button.